Welcome to my latest listing in Rancho Vista Monte. It is a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, almost 4,000 square feet home, and it is absolutely gorgeous inside. So let's go take a look.
This is 3266 Skyline View Glen on a quiet cul-de-sac in Escondido. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath property at 3,971 square feet. So let's go in. If you'd like to see this property in person, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My number is here on the screen and we can schedule a private showing. Thank you for watching.